You ever look at two ranch bottles and you wonder, does this really matter? Well, we're going to talk about that and a lot more right after this. Alright guys, food quality. I'm super excited to have this conversation with you. This is something I'm so passionate about, and it's such an important topic when it comes to the question, are you metabolically fit? This is part 3 of a 4-part mini-series. If you want to hit the notification bell and subscribe button, you will be notified when part 4 comes out. I'm so excited you're here. So when it comes to food quality, we have to understand that it plays a vital role in our body's ability to have a healthy metabolism, right? If we're not giving our body the tools it needs, we're gonna have issues. This subject plays a huge role in part 1 and 2 of the Metabolic Fit series that we've had, right? When it comes to hormones and dieting, if you're not eating the proper foods, your body's not regulating its systems like it should. You've got to eat right. This is the analogy that I love to use to kind of bring it back to the center here. If I went to a software developer and I said, hey, listen, I have a 2008 laptop with a Windows 5 software on it. I need you to make something for 2021. He would literally look at me like I'm crazy. He would be able to do it, but he would hate it. It would be slow, it'd be droggy, there'd be a bunch of loopholes. It probably wouldn't be that good of a system once he gave it to me. It would probably have a lot of holes in it. It would probably fail a lot, etc., etc. If I'm going to make something optimal for now, I need to give my body the proper tools. I need to give that guy, the computer, proper tools so that he can make me proper software for what I want, right? Your body is no different. If you are not giving it quality tools, it's not going to be as optimal as it should be. So food quality matters so much, right? Let's kind of get into why. So let's talk about fats, for example. Fats play a huge role in our hormone creation, especially sex hormones, our immune system, our cell membrane structure, and our overall energy. If we are giving our body crappy fatty acids, we're gonna feel crappy. Crappy fatty acids equals crappy feelings. That's just how that goes. You have to be aware of that. Some oils to avoid: soybean oil, canola oil, vegetable oil. Some fats to add into your diet: avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and then lard and animal fats. Those simple changes can have a huge impact on how your body feels and how it functions. Making sure that you're getting these from whole food, high quality sources is super important. And pro tip, when it comes to avocado and olive oil, dark green containers. They have a little bit more mono and polyunsaturated fats than saturated fat-based fats do, like coconut oil and animal fats. And so the light can make it a little bit rancid. It's kind of sensitive to that. So just be wary of clear containers. Look for those dark green glass containers and you'll be good to go. When it comes to proteins, guys, there's so many proteins we eat out there that do not have a complete amino acid profile. And what I mean by that is you have a set list of amino acids that make a complete protein source. There are a lot out there that do not have that. To just kind of like hedge your bets, make sure 80% of your protein is coming from animal muscle meats: chicken, beef, pork. Eat those things. Make sure that you're getting plenty of animal protein in your diet so that you are getting the proper amount of protein and amino acids. Amino acids are important for serotonin creation. They're important for your mood. They're important for muscle building. They're important for your immune system. Complement proteins are a huge player in how your body responds to sickness. Like, you have to make sure that you're eating a good amount of protein. Third thing is carbs. Not all carbs are created equal, guys. You really want to make sure that you're not overeating refined and processed carbohydrates. Even if you're on like a paleo diet, remove the paleo treats, homies. Like, stick to healthy whole food carbs that are low glycemic so that they don't spike a lot of inflammation in your body. Things like berries, sometimes melon, things like green leafy vegetables, cauliflower, cruciferous vegetables. Those are going to help with regulating your estrogen too, and that's really important, as we talked about in part 2. So making sure that you're getting low glycemic, high quality carbohydrates in the carbs that you do eat, whether you're ketogenic or paleo, is super, super important. Alright guys, I hope that helps. Remember, food quality matters. Food quality matters. If you're not eating the right tools, your body cannot function like it should. See you in the next one.